Put salt in your fridge and you will be surprised by the result. A fridge technician taught me this trick, and today I am going to teach you. I'm sure you've never used salt that way, but when you find out what it's for, you'll want to do it today. It's a very simple tip, but I bet it will be very useful. For this, do the following. In a container, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of common refined salt. Once that's done, just put it in your fridge. Now you may be wondering what this is for. Guys, with this simple tip you can reduce the humidity inside the fridge. This is because salt manages to absorb all that moisture concentrated in the fridge. If you don't know, excess moisture causes problems with food preservation because it favors mold formation. And this, in addition to being dangerous to your health, is also what causes the bad smell inside the fridge and ends up going into the food. And just with this simple tip, your food will last much longer. And a second, more effective and long-lasting option is to use paper towels. First, take a roll of paper towels and put 4 sheets together, just like I'm doing. Then fold it in half twice. If you prefer, you can fold it several times to make it smaller. Now take a container and add a tablespoon of baking soda. And then a tablespoon of water, then mix well until a paste is formed. Now just take the paper towel and pour all the liquid bicarbonate on top and then spread it all over the paper just as I am doing. Once this is done, you can put it in the fridge. The paper along with the bicarbonate will absorb all the moisture and bad smells, keeping your food for much longer. And that's all you have to do for today. I hope you put it into practice and then tell me how it was. I'm sure you'll love the results. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos. And if you made it this far, leave me the phrase "salt for my fridge" so I'll know you saw the full video.